All right, TradingView day 3, let's do it. So yesterday we marked up our essentially support and resistance lines for the week or for the 2-week period, right? This line provided a resistance line for the week, and this line provided the support line to where the market was going to bounce off from, okay? So you see how we're putting this together already. So now what we're going to do is zoom out. So if you want to take this and scroll like this, or if you have a roll on your mouse, you can just roll it in and out like this. But zoom out just a little, or just scroll to the left. And I want you to notice this line that we marked yesterday. You see how it acted as a low during our week. But if you look back in time, price has already come through it, bounced off of it, came back up to it, came back up to it, bounced off of it, right? We've got big railroad tracks, big spikes right on it. So this is a line that will act as resistance, and then it will turn around and act as support, because here it turned around and bounced right off of it and kept going. Okay, so it acted as resistance down here, and then at the end of our week, it acted as support. Okay, then it came back down, bounced down again, bounced around it again. I mean, look how many times price hits this line. Okay, so seeing how much price touches and respects this level and reacts around it, this would be considered a key level. Okay? And this would be a good one for your notes too. If you ever, stop trading or want to come back, save these screenshots so you can remind yourself how to find these things. Okay? So now let's drop down to the lower time frame. So drop down to the 1 hour. Put it again so that the week is right in front of us, or the 2 week, excuse me. Actually, yes, I want to go to just the week. So let's take another vertical line and let's put it in, what date is this? The 18th, about the 9th, okay? Right about there. And so let's look at just this week first, okay? Hopefully your chart should look like mine. If you're having trouble making it fit, make sure this A and this L are both checked, and it should bring it around so it looks something like mine. All right, now what we're going to do is let's put in one more line of support here. So we're going to take just the trend line, and I want you to put it right where this big spike went, okay? And mark it off for the whole week. Because it hit here and then it came back to it. So you see how it threw that big spike down here, and then look, you got the railroad tracks right there. Okay, so now we have support and resistance, and you can see how price just ping-ponged through this, and then it went down, broke it, and then tested from the underside. So now we know that at least for the 1 hour time frame, this is a key level on the 1 hour. And then if you ever want to duplicate, you can either hit right click and clone, or you can hit control and drag it, click and drag, and it will bring a new one for you. So you can mark all of your fun candlesticks right near your support and resistance. And so now you can expect that whenever price comes around these levels, it's going to do something funny, like a pin and a pin and a railroad tracks and a railroad tracks and a morning star, okay? Same goes for the bottom. There we go. Support and resistance paired with candlesticks. You are on your way. I almost said my way. You're on my way. You are on my way. You're on your way, friends. All right, we'll see you in the next video.